Uh, Welcome back, students, and today we are going to see about the third lesson, P block elements part 2. In second lesson we have seen the 13th group and 14th group elements. Now we are going to see in P block element 15th group elements. The first member in 15th group element is nitrogen. Why nitrogen? Why we have to study about nitrogen? Because nitrogen is available 78% in our atmosphere as gas. So that's why we are going to see all the preparation, physical and chemical properties, and it is very useful gas too. It is not only present in the earth, it can also be used for various purposes, and I will say it is a inert gas. So nitrogen can be used for the preparation of chemicals such as ammonia, nitric acid, calcium cyanamide. So that these can be used for elements in war times. Liquid nitrogen can be used to preserve our biological specimens. It can help you freeze things. So that's all the uses of nitrogen. We are going to study about the preparation and the components, further components from nitrogen, etc. So before going into that, I hope you are all doing your assignments and tests properly. Please check on with your assignments and tests and connect with me in my WhatsApp number and in our WhatsApp group. So now I will go inside the topic, preparation of nitrogen. Nitrogen can be prepared by separating. It can be prepared separately by fractional distillation method, a distillation method. What is fractional distillation method is that we have to thermally decompose sodium acid, that is 2Na3. This is sodium acid. We have to thermally decompose it. If we decompose it, we will get Na plus N2. And in order to balance the equation, I am putting 2 here, I am putting 3 here. So we have got nitrogen after decomposition of sodium acid. So this is one preparation of preparation of nitrogen from sodium acid. It can also be obtained by oxidizing ammonia using bromine water. Ammonia NH3 I am putting with bromine water, that is I am adding bromine. So in order to balance the equation, I am adding numbers here. So I will get ammonium bromide plus nitrogen will be expelled as gas. So this is the preparation of, this is ammonia, bromine water. We have got ammonium and we have got nitrogen. This is our second preparation of nitrogen. So what are all the properties this 15th group element got? Is that the triple bonded species is notable for its less reactivity. That is, these nitrogen, carbon, these are all less reactive elements because they got triple bonded elements. Why triple bonded element? For example, I am taking this N. If I am put N as a 5 valence electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every nitrogen has a 5 valence electron. So if I bond this, I will be left with 2 electrons for each nitrogen. So the bond will be like this. Here one element, here one element, here one element. So the 2 electrons will be in the outside shell. So a triple bond is formed between 2 nitrogen. So a triple bonded system such as nitrogen carbon, they are all less reactive to an extent. It won't be a complex mixture with the metal. So next we are going to see how nitrogen reacts with uh, various other elements such as lithium, calcium, boron. If I am adding lithium with nitrogen, I will get lithium nitrate. This is the balance equation. If I am adding calcium with nitrogen in red dot means heat. If I am giving heat, calcium nitrate is formed. Balance the equation. If I am putting boron with nitrogen in bright red dot means heavy heat, bright red hot. Bright red dot, I will get boron nitrate. Balance the equation. Balance the equation. So this is how these are some chemical properties of nitrogen. Now another reaction is that what will happen when nitrogen is added with hydrogen. It forms ammonia. We all know about this ammonia is useful for various other purposes and lab purposes. So how this reaction forms, nitrogen won't simply combine with hydrogen. It should be in pressurized condition. This should be in pressurized condition, then only it will react. So it should be in pressurized environment. Then only we will get ammonia. So nitrogen, and it is a reversible process. Can whenever forms nitrogen or hydrogen, ammonia NH3 is produced under nitrogen. So in order to balance the equation, NH3. So if I put 3 by 2 here, the equation balances because 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so 3 will be there. Ammonia NH3 as in here. If I put off, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 1 will be there, so 1 nitrogen. So NH3 is produced. What will happen when nitrogen is mixed with oxygen? It will produce nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide is often called as laughing gas. It will make you laugh. So in order to balance the equation, nitrous oxide. So these are some of the chemical properties of nitrogen and various reaction it does. So I have told you already the uses: ammonia, nitric acid, calcium nitrate, etc. The preparation of used for preparation of these components, plus liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is used for preservation of animals, preservation of any biological substance at low temperature, cold temperature. You can preserve anything. So that is all about nitrogen. Next we will see about ammonia.